In this video we will learn how to install the PyTorch Python library on the latest Python version. So let us start. At first we will install Python. After that we will use it to install PyTorch. So let us start with the first step to download and install the current Python version. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website. Now keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu and the current version will be visible, that is 3.14.0. Click on it to download. The download started. We have successfully downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Here you need to first select use admin privileges. After that select add Python to path. After that we will click customize installation. The optional features are visible. It will install pip. Pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install IDLE, which is an IDE to run Python programs. Rest keep as it is and click next. Advanced options, select install Python for all users. Python will get installed in the following location. No problem. Click install. Now Python will get installed. Let's wait. We have installed Python. Click close. Guys, we successfully installed the current Python version. Now let us verify the installation and install PyTorch. For that, go to start, type cmd, click open, type the command python -- version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed the current Python version. We also installed pip. So pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. Therefore, we will also verify the installation of pip. Type the command pip -- version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed pip also. Now we will use pip to install the PyTorch library. Type the command python -m pip install torch. So this will install torch. We will also install torch vision, which comes under the PyTorch library only. This is used for computer vision task. With that, we will also install torch audio for audio related task. Now press enter. We have successfully installed PyTorch. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type IDLE. I hope you remember we also installed this while installing Python. Now type the command import torch. This is used to import the library since we already installed. Press enter. Now let us print the current version of PyTorch which we just installed. Type torch dot __ version _ and close the bracket. Press enter. This shows that we successfully installed the current PyTorch version on the current Python version. For a free Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. For free study material, do refer to our website studiopedia.com.